Hello everyone, my name is Devashish Roy. I'm the head of training and development department at the Indian Cybersecurity Solutions, and I welcome you all to a special webinar today. And today's AWS topic is AWS CloudTrail and CloudWatch for security monitoring. So we have been following this cloud security series, and here AWS CloudTrail and CloudWatch. These are two very important security tools that we use for cloud monitoring. As you know, in any server environment, let's say the on-premise server also, we see the monitoring like the network monitor, the performance monitor that is in the Windows Server and Linux both. In cloud also, monitoring tools is very important. Otherwise, if the cloud server malfunctions, everything will be destroyed. So let's begin the discussion. So we'll be discussing the CloudTrail and CloudWatch for security monitoring, and we'll explore the integration of AWS CloudTrail and CloudWatch for enhanced security monitoring and compliance. Now, what is AWS security monitoring? Why is it needed? AWS security monitoring or any cloud monitoring is crucial for safeguarding cloud environments. By utilizing tools like AWS CloudTrail and CloudWatch, organizations can effectively track, analyze, and respond to security events, and it ensures compliance to operational integrity. What does it mean? It means that you are, say, maintaining a cloud server, or you have deployed a private cloud server, and you have stored many resources there, maybe some EC2 instances, some websites, and more, and you are not monitoring it. So maybe some health issues may arise. Some say some performance bottlenecks, some network issues. So a lot of packets are gathered in the interface and the interface is choked or bottleneck. That is a traffic jam. Maybe some say physical failures happen, say hard disk, RAM, processor, anything may happen. So if you do not monitor it, if you do not analyze that, so definitely it will be disastrous for organizations. So you should incorporate security monitoring. Then first is AWS CloudTrail, that is for the API logs and events, and other is the CloudWatch, that is for the physical health monitoring. So what is the CloudTrail? CloudTrail of AWS is a crucial service for security monitoring in the AWS environments, and what it logs only the API calls made within your AWS account, but also it provides valuable insights for governance, compliance, and risk management. So it is related to your, say, development purpose, development phase, your software part that is actually covered in the CloudTrail in detail, and the hardware part, the physical part, mainly is covered in the CloudWatch. So what are the key features of AWS CloudTrail? First is event history. Like CloudTrail captures detailed event logs of every API call made in your AWS account. So if you have made any API call for any, say, automation purpose, so it has captured that API call and includes information on who has made the call, what actions were taken, and when the event occurred. So the detailed history it has in that API log, the CloudTrail. This is crucial for auditing and compliance and provides comprehensive view of account activity. Because if sometime you want to, retrieve the history that whoever tried to log into your account, some unauthorized activity, so you can get it. Second is data events. Data events in CloudTrail allow monitoring of specific resource events such as S3 object level operations. S3 say write or read operation. You are uploading or downloading some data from the S3 bucket. This thing provides insights into data access and modifications. And this feature helps organizations to ensure that sensitive data is accessed only by authorized users. Now, other unauthorized persons should not be allowed to actually upload the data or download the data from this bucket. And who will ensure that? This event, this feature of the AWS. Then insights. CloudTrail Insights analyzes the CloudTrail event data to identify unusual patterns of activity, which may indicate potential security threats or breaches. So that's the insight. So these are definitely the tools inside the tools. The CloudTrail is a tool. Inside that, these are the different tools you have. This feature enhances security posture by allowing teams to proactively address anomalies before they turn into incidents. So you have to prevent the incidents or some attacks. So to do that, you have to follow these tools. Now, how CloudTrail works? First of all, API call logging that I've already told you. CloudTrail captures API calls made across various AWS services and ensures comprehensive logging of actions taken within your account, and it includes calls made by the AWS Management Console, AWS SDK, and that is software development kit, command line tools, and other AWS services. So everything is logged. Nothing is left unlogged. So that is the actually the AWS CloudTrail actually logs every activity of your account. Then the event delivery. Now CloudTrail can deliver log files to specified S3 buckets or CloudWatch logs and enables users to store and analyze historical data. This functionality supports compliance and auditing requirements by providing a secure and durable storage option for logs. Definitely, because of the event delivery, say you are uploading or downloading something in a bucket, that should also be logged. And that S3 bucket log, that is an event log that is maintained by the CloudTrail. Event analysis. The logs generated by CloudTrail can be analyzed to understand API usage pattern, detect anomalies, and investigate security incidents. And it is critical for maintaining a secure environment, definitely, and ensures compliance with organizational policies. So you have to analyze the data. Not only you have to collect the data, like it has collected the data and you are sitting idle, no, but you have to analyze the data and you have to see if some anomalies are there. If somebody has tried to break into your system, you have to analyze that. So what are the benefits of using CloudTrail for security? We can sum it up like the benefits are real-time monitoring benefits, comprehensive audit trails, improved threat detection and monitoring, proactive security measures, and streamlined compliance reporting. So these all that I have already discussed, these are the benefits of the CloudTrail. Then it's the overview of AWS CloudWatch. So CloudWatch plays a critical role in security monitoring by providing real-time insights into resource performance and operational health. So I've already told you it is about mainly the physical health of the cloud server, about the hardware resources. It enables users to set alarms, visualize metrics, and respond promptly to changes in the cloud environment. So there are some alerts or alarms that we say, like I can set the alarm for the CPU usage, the network data in and out, say the RAM, hard disk, read and write, operation, these things. So these alarms will actually give you some warning. Then key features of CloudWatch includes metrics collection. First of all, AWS CloudWatch collects and analyzes operational metrics and logs of various AWS services, and it provides a comprehensive view of resource performance and health. Second, alarms. CloudWatch alarms automatically trigger actions or send notifications when specific conditions are met and allows for proactive management. Third is logs. AWS CloudWatch logs captures log files from various AWS services and applications, and it enables users to monitor, search, and analyze log data. And how CloudWatch works. It is very similar to the CloudTrail. First of all, data collection. CloudWatch collects the data and aggregates metrics from various AWS services and sources, and it provides a comprehensive view of your application's health and performance. And it captures data in real time, and it allows for timely analysis and decision making. So it is collecting data in runtime. Second is visualization. CloudWatch offers customizable dashboards that visualize metrics and logs through graphs, charts, and other widgets. So these widgets are definitely a part of this CloudWatch, and I will show you this in a minute. This aids in identifying trends and anomalies in the performance of AWS resources. Then alerts. Users can set up alarms in CloudWatch to monitor metrics and receive notifications when specific thresholds are breached. So if you have lost an is2 instance, you can create a widget for that, and you can actually add the line or the graphs for that. And also you can select some alerts like the alarms also. And this proactive monitoring helps in addressing issues before they escalate. Now we have to integrate CloudTrail with CloudWatch, because enhanced visibility with CloudTrail is there. The integration of AWS CloudTrail with CloudWatch enables organizations to achieve a comprehensive security monitoring solution, because you have to log both. You have to log the software, hardware both. By sending CloudTrail logs to CloudWatch, users can visualize API activity, and it can gain deeper insights into the AWS environments in real time. And also you can get immediate alerts with CloudWatch. That is not there in the CloudTrail. So CloudWatch enhances the capabilities of CloudTrail by providing immediate notification based on defined thresholds. This means that when suspicious or anomalous activity is detected in the CloudTrail logs, the CloudWatch can alert administrators, facilitates faster incident response and the solution. So this is about the theoretical discussion we had about the CloudTrail and CloudWatch, two very powerful utilities in the cloud security of the AWS. And now I can take you to the console. This is the console of this AWS, and you can see that I have an EC2 there. So let me first run an instance, and then I will take you to the CloudWatch. I'm in the Europe Stockholm region, and you can be in any region. Just launch an instance. Say I'm giving the name OS, or let me give server 1 or server 123. You can take any instance. I'm taking Windows for now, say Windows 2025 server, the default one. And this key pair, all these things, I'm not giving anything because I do not need to log into that. So I'm not giving it. So proceed without a key pair for now. I'm not editing anything, the network setting, nothing I'm editing. I'm not editing the storage, let it be 30 GB by default. And I'm just launching the instance. So as you can see, the instance is being launched. So it's currently in the running state, and status check is initializing. Now let it be 2 by 2, and then we'll go to the CloudWatch. Is still in an initialization state. Let it be complete.